Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your domain and DNS are ready. First, confirm your Shopify plan allows custom domains and automatic SSL. Next, set your records to Shopify IPs and the www name to shops. Miss Shopify. So Shopify can validate ownership. Once done, make sure DNS proxies or CDNs that hide records are disabled. They block verification. Wait for DNS propagation. Using TTL 300 speeds this up, because Shopify needs to detect the correct records before requesting the certificate. You now enable SSL inside Shopify. Go to Admin Online Store Domains and add or connect your existing domain. Shopify will attempt validation automatically. If records match, it requests and provisions an SSL certificate for you. This shows as SSL pending while being issued. Make sure to click refresh after any DNS update so Shopify rechecks. If propagation is slow, leave it running. Shopify retries certificate issuance automatically until successful, which is why proper DNS earlier matters. You finish by setting your new domain as the primary domain and enforcing HTTPS in Shopify's domain settings so shoppers always use the secure site. Once HTTPS is active, test pages in multiple browsers and devices to confirm the certificate is valid. If provisioning fails, recheck and CNAME records exactly, clear local DNS cache, and wait up to 48 hours for propagation. As a key troubleshooting tip, capture screenshots of your DNS records and the Shopify domain status to share with your registrar or Shopify support if you need help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.